Here, dude. You got a Batman and a Robin. Cool. Cool, huh, dude 2? Dude 1. We gotta open it up and play with it. It's the Batmobile. What else is in there? It's the Robin bike. Whoops, I dropped it. We gotta get out Robin and Batman. Is this the real Batman? Hi, I'm the real Batman. I'm the real Batman. And I'm the real Robin. Yeah, help Batman. If these shoot out of the car. Pretty cool, huh? What do you think, dude? Cool?
Yes.
Are you ready, dude, to play with these Batman toys and show everybody what they do? Which one do you want to show them first?
Batman?
Okay, grab it. Grab which one you want to show. Let's show them all the toys.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to show them this one first? Look at that, Batman. He's got a black suit. He's got his yellow crest here with the Batman logo in there, and there's a yellow belt. Cool, huh? He has his cape. It's pretty cool. The legs move up and down like that. His arms move up and down. Pretty cool. I'm Batman. Are you Batman? No, I'm Batman. All right, what should we show him next?
The Batman.
We should show him the Lego Batman. All right. Look at this guy. Cool, it's a Lego Batman. Oh, he has a batarang. And he's got his helmet comes off. Look at that, his mask. I'm gonna turn his head. Look, he's smiling in this one. Oop, we turned his cape too.
He's coming back to a happy face.
This is the happy face. See, he's happy. Or you can turn it to where he's mad.
No, happy. Happy.
Okay, happy man.
Uh-huh.
All right, here's happy Batman. All right. Hey, what's up? I'm happy.
Tap, tap.
So his legs move. He's a Lego, you know. He comes apart like that comes off. His head comes off, and his cape.
Can you put his
And then,
face back to happy?
yeah. So look, he comes apart like this. All right. So here's his
Good
leg.
dude.
We put his belt on. Put his body on. There. All right. Put the cape on. You want to put the head on? Oh, we lost the head. Oh, no.
No, you did not.
All right.
It went under the table.
All right, there's his head. How about you put on the mask? Got it on there? All right, now he's Batman. I'm ready to save God.
That's him. Just put him
All
down.
right. What's the next toy? What's the next one we should look at?
The Batman?
This Batman? All right, cool. Look at this Batman. He's got a cool mask on it. He actually came with that Batcopter. So he has like it's a visor and stuff. So orange visor, and then he's got a blue cape. And then he also has the yellow crest and the bat signal and the yellow belt, and he's a black suit. I am the real Batman. Whoa.
That's him.
Should we put him in the Batcopter? All right, look, so the Batcopter here, this opens up. Just like that. Oop, it fell. So that opens up, and then we can set him in there like that. There, he's ready to go. Shut that. And then actually there's this thing here, which you can turn. With your finger, it turns the propeller. So you can take off. Whoa! And then you can turn this with your finger. And then there's a little trigger down here. And that actually closes this so you can grab stuff. So we'll show him grabbing this Batman. I got it! We got the Batman!
You're
Let's
not.
go.
You love
Let's get the little Batman. We got the little Batman. Look
You
at this.
get Robin.
Yeah, Robin.
Get
Oh,
Robin.
sorry, Batman. All right, let's get Robin. Ready? Wow, we got Robin. Oh, we knocked over the bike. Oh, Robin's stuck. We got him. You okay, Robin? It's a little tight in here. All right, let's put Robin down. Put that there.
Put Robin's bike.
All right, we'll put him in his bike.
No.
Well, let's show Robin. We'll pick up his bike. Or you want to grab his bike? Oh, with the Batcopter? All right, here, let's put Robin there. All right, let's see. Ready? We got it. Oh, we got Robin's bike. We got Robin's bike. Oh, no, we lost it. Give me that back. Give me that back. All right.
Here I am.
Oh, yeah, here you are. I gotta get you. I'm gonna get you, too. All right. Should we get Batman out or leave him in there?
Let's put this Batman in there.
Oh, you want to put that one in there instead? All right. All right, we're going to switch Batmans. You put him in there? All right, this Batman's ready to go. Okay. This one here, but there's that Batman. All right, now we're showing Robin. Oh. Whoa! You knocked over Lego Batman! All right.
Can I get the ill Batman?
Yeah, get him. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, no!
No, baby one.
All right. Oh, no, you dropped it.
Listen. Got him!
Here's Robin. He's got his red shirt, his green pants, yellow belt. Here's his little Robin symbol. He's got his mask, black hair, arms move like that, and his legs move. Cool, huh? All right. And then should we show him the bike?
I get him.
Okay. Cool. Here's his bike. Look at that. These gray wheels here. It has the Batman symbol. What's that? The seat? It has black seat. It has the Batman symbols in his wheels. Yeah, that's the seat, huh? And then it's got green and red. There's a visor. That's a pretty cool bike. Robin goes on his bike here, like this. His legs go in there, and his hands go on here. So there you go. He got his hands in there, so he's ready to go. Look at Rob. You think we can roll him across? Ready? Oh, look at that. He stayed up on its own. Let's try it again. Whoa, you want to try it? Whoa, whoa. Cool. All right, now we got us the Batmobile. Look at that thing, that's pretty cool, huh? Oh, cool, look at that, there's lights on it. So it's got a little switch right here that you squeeze and it turns on the lights.
That is
Cool, huh? Oh, sorry. So it's got red seats, got some blue on it and black. There's the blue Bat logo. Look at that. Let's see it drive. Ready? We're gonna get you. Whoa, it got stuck. Let's show them this. So look, this lifts up. It's got a little gun on it. So this lifts up, and then you push it down. Yeah. And then this is how you shoot it. And it's got these discs in the back here, these orange discs. So you take those out. All right, and then you load it in here like this. All right, you want to shoot it, dude? Let's see it. All right, you gotta push that forward. All right, ready? We'll shoot the blue cape Batman. Can you do it? Oh, you got it! Good job. All right, want to try it again?
Yeah, let's do that Batman.
All right, let's get that Batman out of there. Sorry, man, but you're down for the count. All right, let's try to get this one. You think you get that one? Oh, you got him! I'm sorry, my hand was in the way. Here, let's try it again. I was holding him here. And push it in. Oh, there we go. All right, ready? Oh, you got him! All right, here. All right, let's see if you get him. Oh, yeah! You knocked him over. That's pretty cool, huh? All right, you want to put those in there? Then they just go right back in there. There's a little hole back there for them. All right, and you want to shut the cannon. All right, and then we'll put this Batman in here.
Can we say put him back in?
And then And
The
then,
helicopter.
yep. And then there you go. See, they're in there. Well, Robin fell, but. So you can have them in there too, like that. Then you can drive them around. See you later, Batman and Robin.
You gotta turn that way.
Okay, what do you want to do?
This Batman and that helicopter and grab
Okay.
Robin and these yellow things.
All right.
Now let's get Robin out
All right, let's get Robin out of there.
and try to get him.
All right, let's put him right here. Let's see if you can get him.
Here we go.
Here we go. Whoa. Did you get him?
Uh-huh.
But he's gone. Where'd he go? There he is. He's in the yellow leg things, whatever you want to call them. Cool.
Let's go to the yellow thing.
All right, so we got the Batman in the black suit. We have the Batcopter, the Batman with the blue cape, Lego Batman, Robin, the Robin's motorcycle, and the Batmobile. Pretty cool set from Imaginext DC. Pretty cool, huh? If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. You got anything to say, dude? No? Here, why don't you say if you like the video, please like and subscribe. You say that. Dude, too, if they like the video, what should they do? Should they like and subscribe? Should they like and subscribe? So they can see more adventures?
Says play with them. Play with them. Play with them.
Okay. If you liked the video, make sure you like and subscribe for more adventures. Are you guys playing with the new Batman? Oh, there's Batman and a giraffe. What's Robin doing with a giraffe?
My name is Melman. Gotta stop it. Okay? Stop it. Is this?
Melman's getting the Batmobile. That thing doesn't fit giraffes.
What does this do? Ooh. Ow!
What happened?
Ow! It
Whoa.
hit me in the head. Keep it. That one hit me in the eye.
What's he eating that disc?
No.
Oh. What's up, Melman? What you doing? You going
Get
for
in
a
the
cruise?
Batmobile.
Oh, you going for a ride? Can't see his head.
Vroom.
He drove away.
Vroom. Now I'm gonna wipe the Robin bite. The Robin bite.
Whoa!
No, I'm not.
Are you riding a motorcycle now, giraffe? Or Melman, I mean.
What? Why? What? No,
Oh,
I'm
no.
not.
Where you
I'm
going? I
not.
can't see you.
Okay.
It looks like Batman's jumping around being a goofball.
Okay, Melman. We'll have to get you to the hospital. You need some band-aids.
Band-aids? Oh no.